How to apply for a Credit One Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about applying for the Credit One Bank credit card online. So let's get started. Applying for a credit card involves many factors. To increase your chances, be prepared before applying. Having a credit card is a serious responsibility. So before applying, consider your reasons, plan for the card usage, and check if your credit is good enough. When you're ready to apply, compare the cards that match your credit score for the approval, find ones offering the travel rewards, points for the purchases, and features like travel protection, and choose based on your finances, goals, and lifestyle. When you receive offers, you will notice that they say you are either pre-approved or pre-qualified. These terms indicate that you are conditionally approved or qualified for a credit card offer. These terms essentially mean that you're likely to be approved, but there is no guarantee. An invitation to be pre-qualified means a lender has asked you to start the application process to determine if you meet their financial approval criteria from a soft inquiry. The card issuer uses this information to provide an interest rate and credit line that fits your financial situation, but they would have to look more in depth with a hard inquiry to make a final decision. On the other hand, a pre-approved credit card offer means the credit issuer already ran a soft inquiry and you met a certain financial approval criteria, but further review is warranted. Hence, they reached out to you, and if you accept the offer, they will make a hard credit inquiry to evaluate your credit history. Keep in mind that in both cases, if you apply, you won't necessarily receive the credit card, especially if your credit score has gone down due to the late payment or a higher credit utilization ratio after the issuer made the soft inquiry on your credit. In other words, if your credit score has decreased or you're using more credit than before, you may no longer qualify. Don't worry, you don't need to be concerned about receiving a pre-qualified or pre-approved offers. The soft inquiries will not reduce your credit card score like a hard inquiry might. So for that, you can enter the first name in this designated area, your middle name, which is optional, and your last name and the last 4 digits of your SSN, and click on Find My Offer. When this happens, the inquiry will show up on your credit report. So keep in mind that when you sign and submit a credit card application, you're effectively agreeing to the terms and conditions in the contract. These terms should include fees, interest rates, rewards, and other details. So make sure that you read them carefully before you submit your application, which includes your approval code and your zip code. And after you click on Continue, the process will begin. Once you're approved, it's time to start your card so you can successfully build or rebuild your card. With an on-time payment and responsible card usage, you will hopefully be on your way to higher credit score and all the benefits and perks that come with a good credit. So this was all about it. This is how you can apply for the Credit One Bank credit card online. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.